The TotGuard Electric Bike, featuring 26x4. Zero Fat Tires, is designed for those who crave adventure and versatility in their cycling experience. As one of the more robust electric bikes on the market, this model boasts a powerful 1000W peak motor and a 48V battery, making it an appealing choice for both city commuting and off-road excursions. After spending considerable time with this bike, here's an in-depth review that covers various aspects of its performance, design, comfort, and overall value. Performance. At the heart of the TotGuard electric bike is its impressive 1000W peak motor. This motor delivers a smooth and powerful ride, allowing you to tackle steep hills and challenging terrains with ease. The bike's acceleration is both quick and responsive, giving you the confidence to merge into traffic or navigate through busy urban settings. In terms of speed, this bike can reach up to 28 miles per hour, which is quite commendable for an e-bike. The 48V lithium-ion battery offers an excellent range of approximately 30 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like rider weight, terrain, and assistance level. This range is sufficient for most daily commuting needs as well as longer outdoor jaunts. The bike supports both pedal assist and throttle modes, allowing riders to choose how much effort they want to exert. The pedal assist feature is particularly useful for those longer rides, providing a gentle boost when you start to tire. Tires and suspension. One of the standout features of the TotGuard electric bike is its 26x4. Zero Fat Tires. These tires are designed to provide exceptional traction and stability, whether you're navigating sandy beaches, snowy trails, or bumpy urban paths. The larger surface area ensures a comfortable ride and minimizes the chances of getting stuck in soft ground. Additionally, the bike features a front suspension fork that absorbs shocks effectively, making even the roughest terrains manageable. This means you can confidently take the bike off-road without worrying about jarring vibrations. The combination of fat tires and a robust suspension system enhances the overall riding experience, transforming what could be a bumpy ride into a smooth and enjoyable journey. Design and build quality. The design of the TotGuard electric bike is robust and functional, featuring a sturdy aluminum alloy frame that can support a significant amount of weight while remaining lightweight enough for easy handling. The bike's geometry is designed for comfort, with an upright riding position that reduces strain on the back and shoulders. Aesthetically, the bike has a modern and appealing look, with a sleek finish that will turn heads. The color options are attractive, allowing you to choose one that fits your personal style. Furthermore, the bike is equipped with integrated LED lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime rides and contributing to overall safety. Comfort and ergonomics. Riding comfort is key for any bike, and the TotGuard does not disappoint in this area. The seat is well padded and adjustable, catering to riders of different heights. Additionally, the ergonomic handlebars provide a good grip and allow for multiple hand positions, which is particularly beneficial on longer rides. The bike also features a 7-speed transmission system, allowing riders to easily switch gears based on the terrain. This is especially useful when transitioning from flat roads to inclines, ensuring you can maintain your desired speed without overexerting yourself. Assembly and user experience. Setting up the TotGuard electric bike is relatively straightforward, with most of the bike pre-assembled upon arrival. The included instruction manual is clear and concise, guiding you through the final steps of assembly. This user-friendly approach is a significant advantage for those who may be new to e-bikes. Conclusion. The TotGuard electric bike is a well-rounded option for both casual riders and serious cyclists. Its powerful motor, impressive battery range, and all-terrain capabilities make it an excellent choice for those looking to explore a variety of landscapes. While it may not be the lightest bike available, the overall design, comfort, and performance